Hey everyone, today we're going to be learning how to put a bitmoji in our classroom. So the first thing I'm going to do is, or create a bitmoji, is going to go to Bitmoji Classroom Extension. And I'm going to click this first one that says use Bitmoji anywhere on the web. And let's go look at this, and I'm going to click Add to Chrome. I'm going to click Add Extension. And you can choose to either log in here or you can log in with Snapchat. So I have a Snapchat, so I'm going to log in with my Snapchat. It's going to access my Bitmoji avatar. I'm going to click Continue. And I've already logged in, so you would log in. And so now that I have that, I'm going to go to a PowerPoint. And I'm going to pin my Bitmoji up to the top so I can find it. And to do that, I clicked this puzzle piece, and I clicked the little pin. And I'm going to click my Bitmoji. So let's say I want to do greetings. So I could search greetings. And I could choose Namaste. And it says right click, copy image, Control V, paste. So my kids can choose to Namaste with me in the morning. Then I'm going to click it again. I'm going to again type greetings because I want to find some cool greetings. And I might choose wave. So we can choose left shark wave. I'm going to copy image and paste it. And I can just shrink the size. To get it to the size I want. Now I want it to maybe I want my kids to curtsy. So I could look for that. Or bow. We could bow for our greetings. Copy image. And then Control V is paste. So this is how you add a Bitmoji extension.